You finally incorporated your business. Your articles of incorporation are approved. You have big plans. You're ready to start accepting payments, signing clients, and growing your company. You walk into a bank thinking this is going to take 10 minutes. Then the banker starts asking questions. Do you have your EIN? Can I see your formation documents? Who's authorized to sign for the corporation? Suddenly, what seemed like a simple bank visit turns into a scavenger hunt for paperwork. And believe it or not, this happens to new business owners every single day. The good news? It's completely avoidable if you know what to prepare ahead of time. Hi, I'm Bobby Casey, founder of BusinessAnywhere.io. For over 20 years, I've helped entrepreneurs launch businesses, stay compliant, and build companies that are ready to grow. And today, we're talking about one of the first financial milestones every corporation faces, opening a C Corporation business bank account. This might sound like just another administrative task, but honestly, it's much more important than that. A dedicated business bank account helps establish a clear separation between your personal finances and your corporation's finances. That separation isn't just about staying organized. It's one of the fundamental reasons people choose a corporation in the first place. So let's walk through what you need to know before scheduling your appointment. The very first thing you'll need is proof that your corporation legally exists. That usually starts with your formation documents, such as your Articles of Incorporation, which were filed with the appropriate state agency. These documents confirm that your corporation has officially been created. Without them, a bank generally has no way to verify that your company legally exists. Next comes something almost every bank will ask for: your employer identification number, or EIN. Think of your EIN as the corporation's tax identification number. Just as individuals use a social security number, businesses generally use an EIN for banking, tax reporting, and many other official purposes. Without an EIN, opening a business bank account can be difficult, or in many cases, simply not possible. Here's something that surprises many first-time founders. Banks don't only verify the business, they also verify the people behind it. That means anyone authorized to open or manage the account will generally need to provide valid identification. Depending on the corporation's structure, the bank may also ask for documentation showing who has the authority to act on behalf of the company. For example, corporate resolutions or other organizational documents may be requested to confirm signing authority. Every financial institution has its own procedures, so it's always worth checking their requirements before your appointment. Now let's talk about something entrepreneurs often underestimate: choosing the right bank. Many people simply walk into the closest branch, but your banking relationship may last for years, so take your time. Ask about monthly maintenance fees, minimum balance requirements, wire transfer costs, international payment capabilities, online banking tools, mobile app features, customer support, and whether the bank works well with businesses similar to yours. If you're building an online company or serving international clients, those features can become incredibly important. Here's another question I hear all the time: can I use my personal bank account for my corporation? Technically, that might seem easier in the beginning, but mixing personal and business finances creates unnecessary complications. Bookkeeping becomes more difficult. Tax preparation becomes more complicated. And perhaps most importantly, keeping your finances separate helps reinforce the distinction between you and your corporation. Good financial habits established early make life much easier later. Now let's think beyond opening day. Once your account is active, you'll likely use it for nearly every part of your business. Customer payments, vendor invoices, payroll, tax payments, business expenses, loan applications, financial reporting. That's why setting up the account correctly from the beginning is so valuable. It's not simply another checkbox. It's part of building a professional financial foundation. Here's something else worth thinking about. As your business grows, your banking needs will probably change. Maybe you'll need merchant services, business credit cards, lines of credit, foreign currency support, or integrated accounting tools. Choosing a bank that can grow alongside your company often saves you from switching institutions later. Planning ahead usually pays off. Another important habit is keeping accurate financial records from day one. Every deposit, every expense, every transfer, every invoice. Clean records make bookkeeping easier, simplify tax preparation, and provide a much clearer picture of your company's financial health. Successful entrepreneurs don't just monitor revenue, they understand cash flow, and good banking systems make that possible. Let's clear up another misconception. Opening your business bank account doesn't automatically complete every financial requirement for your corporation. Depending on your business activities, you may also need accounting systems, payroll processes, sales tax registrations, or additional financial tools. Think of your bank account as the financial headquarters of your corporation, not the entire financial system. Each piece works together to support the business. Here's something I've learned after helping entrepreneurs for more than 2 decades. The businesses that scale successfully usually have one thing in common. They build strong systems before they desperately need them. They don't wait until tax season to organize their finances. They don't wait until investors ask for financial statements. They create professional habits from the beginning. Opening your C Corp bank account is one of those habits. It signals that you're treating your business like a real business, not just a side project. And that mindset often makes a tremendous difference over the long term. So let's quickly recap. Before opening a C Corp bank account, gather your formation documents, obtain your EIN, prepare identification for authorized signers, and confirm any additional documentation your chosen bank may require. Take time to compare banking options instead of choosing the first one you find. Keep business and personal finances completely separate. Maintain accurate records from the very beginning, and choose banking solutions that can continue supporting your company as it grows, because a great business doesn't just earn money, it manages money professionally. And if you'd like help forming your corporation, obtaining a registered agent, maintaining compliance, managing bookkeeping, or building the administrative systems your business needs to grow, that's exactly what we help entrepreneurs do every day at Business Anywhere. From business formation to ongoing compliance and financial organization, our goal is to make entrepreneurship simpler so you can focus on growing your company. You'll find helpful resources and links in the description below. And remember, the strongest companies aren't built on great ideas alone. They're built on strong financial foundations that support every stage of growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.